This is on the pathway walking to Burnell behind the PMAC. These photos demonstrate the hydrologic cycle because snow falls and settles as precipitation and then melts and eventually is evaporated by the sun's rays into the air. They also demonstrate a density-independent factor, weather. Weather is not dependent on anything and is demonstrated through the sunny pictures, foggy pictures, dark pictures, and precipitating pictures. You know she's gonna leave my